Good morning. Welcome back to Dragon Tails Fishing. So this morning we're out here at one of our new spots. It's me, Jesse, and my buddy Chris. He's out here on his Hobie. I'm out here on my Hobie, and Jesse's out on the Blue Sky by Jackson kayaks. So yeah, so far it's gonna be a good day. I already know because my buddy just caught a 23-inch trout over there just right off the boat ramp. Pretty awesome. Let's see what we can find today. Beautiful out here with that sun just rising up over there. Chris getting into the zone, working those baits and trying to use some secret stuff that he ain't telling nobody about.
Food, you're supposed to chew it. Don't play with your food. Chew it. Trying to get something. live action. Should have been a nice trout over.
Woo! That's a bad day right there, Tater. That is a bad day. Somebody done lost their boat. We're gonna creep up on it, see what we see here. Just checking it out. Somebody lost it. It looks like it might be salvageable. Yeah, I don't think they're going anywhere today. I mean, they went down with the fishes. Got that nice one. Well, I'm gonna steal that from him, man. Look at that nice crate, that Yak Attack crate on the back of that thing. Don't even match. Let me get that. Don't even want it. This is actually why we like kayak fishing, man. We're out here just exploring, having a great old time. Slowing down. What'd you see? Uh-oh. Oyster bread. He said oyster bread. I'm coming in hot. Yeah. Hear it? Watch. Black, black, black. There we go, Tater. We made it. No problem. Put my hat back on, you know. A little bit of a sunny day, so I gotta have this big sombrero on. All right. biggest question is, can Yo Jackson do that? That's the biggest question. We already know what it does, but can Yo Jackson do that? Look at those pretty spots. Love that. Lily Tiller in his natural habitat. He's over there creeping up into the bushes and the foliage so no one can see him. But we see him. He's thinking. I think he just made a female sound. Right there, he's trying to lure him out. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! There, I got his attention. You heard? Wait, he's standing up. This means business. Right there. Well, there you go, boys. I want to thank everybody for watching my video today. It was just a short video. Got a few fish on. The boys did very well as well. Till the next time, love you guys. Like and subscribe down below if you want. Love you. See you on the next video. I'm out.